Now that we've covered what a reverse mortgage is and why you should consider one, you're probably wondering, how does this all work? What are the steps involved? Let's break down the reverse mortgage process into clear stages to give you an easy-to-understand overview of what to expect. Your journey begins with an initial meeting with your loan originator. This crucial step is all about education. You'll discuss key details like your full legal name, date of birth, property value, and any current mortgage balances. Shortly after this conversation, you'll receive a detailed proposal outlining potential credit lines and payment plans tailored to your situation. Once you've received and reviewed the proposal, the next step is to undergo counseling. This mandatory session, conducted in person or over the phone, is facilitated by a HUD-approved counseling agency. Your loan originator will provide a list of agencies, ensuring you have the freedom to choose without any pressure. This session is designed to equip you with the unbiased information about your options and rights. When your session is complete, you will receive a certificate of completion, which is essential for proceeding to the next stage. With your counseling certificate, you'll move on to the application phase. This is where your loan originator collects necessary information and documents to complete your application. Expect to receive, either in person or via mail, a comprehensive application packet within 3 days of this step. The application can be a little intimidating for anyone not in the mortgage business, so please do not hesitate to ask any questions. In the processing stage, your application undergoes a thorough review for completeness. Key tasks like ordering an FHA case number, appraisal, credit report, or initiating a title search are conducted. Changes in home value or other factors might require adjustments to closing costs, which, if it happens, you'll be quickly informed. Next, your loan reaches the underwriting phase, where an underwriter evaluates it against any additional requirements. Achieving a clear-to-close status signifies that all conditions have been met, paving the way to the final steps. At closing, the finish line is in sight. After receiving the clear-to-close, arrangements for the loan closing are made. You'll meet with a legal or title representative in a setting of your choice, be it a local office or your own home. While there will be numerous documents to sign, you'll be familiar with them thanks to the preceding stages, which should make the closing process a lot easier. After you close, you'll have a 3-day right to rescind, a period during which no funds are distributed. This safeguard ensures you have time to reconsider your decision without penalty. Confirm with your loan originator when you can expect to receive any requested loan proceeds. If you're ready to explore how a reverse mortgage can benefit you, contact us today. We are dedicated to guiding you through each step, ensuring you make informed decisions about your financial future.